To measure, for your new second line gate, you will need a good quality tape measure and a pen and paper to record your measurements. Start by deciding what each of your gates will be fixed to. You have two options. Option 1. We can supply 1 or 2 posts for your gates to be fixed to. Posts can be added in step 1 of the measure process in the second line product builder. Select yes and follow the prompts. If you select bolted to the ground, we'll cut the post to match the gate height from ground level. Or, if you select concreted into the ground, we'll cut the post with an extra 600 millimeters of length so it can be set into the ground. You can trim this down if required for your ground conditions. For both options, you will also need to secure the post to a sidewall or fence for additional support. This is particularly important for larger span gates. Alternatively, you can fix your gates to an existing wall or fence. Please note, the structure must be strong enough to support the weight of the gate. Our gates range from approximately 15 to 40 kilograms. If you prefer this option and don't require posts, select No in step 1 of the second line product builder and proceed straight to width measurements. To measure the width, measure the full opening width where the gates will be installed and enter this measurement into the second line product builder. The builder will automatically deduct 60 millimeters to allow for the hinge and latch clearances. It will also deduct the allowances for posts if selected in step 1. Lastly, the builder will automatically divide your width measurement by 2 to determine the width of the left and right gates. To measure the height, measure from the ground to the desired height of your gates and enter this measurement into the product builder. By default, the builder will apply a 40 millimeters deduction to your height measurement for the gap underneath the gates. You can change the height of this gap if required using the drop-down. Alternative options are 80 millimeters or 120 millimeters. This measurement will be used for both your left and right gates. For the final step, the product builder will automatically calculate your post height based off the height of your gates and instructions given in step 1. If you elected to concrete your post into the ground, you can edit this measurement if required. From there, click Next and proceed to checkout and payment. We recommend taking all measurements twice. If you get different measurements, have someone check them for you.